Chatbot assistants are a must-have for any modern website. If you don't want to lose traffic because visitors can't find the information they need, it's time to add a chatbot. It takes less than 20 minutes to set up and can dramatically improve the user experience. Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today, we're going to walk through how to add a chatbot to a WordPress site. This chatbot will be powered by OpenAI and can assist users with a wide range of questions. We'll write the plugin code, connect the AI, and test everything to see how it works. I will break it all down step by step so you can easily follow along and use it in your own projects. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Alright, let's dive in and see what this AI tool can really do. Tutorial. Let's explore how to add a basic AI-powered chat to your own website. For this, we'll need the OpenAI API platform, where we'll create an API key. First, you'll need to register and log in. Then from your profile, go to the API Keys tab and generate a new secret key. You can create either a personal account or a service account for your API key. For instance, if you're working on behalf of an organization or planning long-term use, you might want to go with a service key. But for our personal site, I recommend using a personal key. I'll name this one My Blog Key. We'll need to choose a project and set the appropriate permissions. I'll just select all of them. Once the API key is created, don't forget to copy it. After you hit Done, you won't be able to see it again. If you lose it, the only option will be to delete it and create a new one. Next, I put together a simple OpenAI-powered chat plugin. It includes only the bare essentials, just the core elements you'll need to get a basic chatbot up and running. Let's take a look at the main file in this plugin. This plugin is built for WordPress. Why WordPress? Because it's one of the most widely used content management systems out there. It's integrated into a huge number of websites and runs on PHP. This makes it easy to host. You just need a domain and a hosting plan to launch your website. Typically, Python is the go-to language for integrating AI features like a chatbot. But deploying Python apps can be tricky. A basic hosting plan won't be enough. You'd need a separate server. That's why WordPress is such a great alternative in this case. So we'll create a plugin file that includes our admin settings. Here we'll insert a div that adds a new settings section for our plugin in the WordPress admin panel. Next, we'll create a function to add the plugin menu. We'll call this function OpenAI Chatbot Menu, and it defines what shows up in the plugin settings. Then we register the settings page here. Inside the settings, there will be a field to enter the OpenAI API key. We are not going to store it in the code, that's not secure. Instead, we'll store it in the database. There's also a field for the OpenAI model ID, where you can choose which model to use. Then we connect the scripts. Specifically, a JavaScript file that uses jQuery and Ajax. This will handle the real-time interaction with the chatbot, processing whatever we type into the chat window. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Let's get back to the script. We'll also connect a CSS style sheet to ensure the chatbot looks polished and fits well into the site's design. After that, we add the Ajax handler and create the function getChatbotResponse. This function connects to the OpenAI API and inserts the API key and the model ID. If either of those is missing, we'll display a message in the chat. OpenAI API key is missing. The script then connects to the endpoint you see on your screen and sends a post request with JSON. This includes the model ID, the API key, and the user's message. We'll wait for a response with a timeout in place. If there's an error, it will show up in the chat. After that, we decode the JSON and either display the error or the actual response from OpenAI. That's the full script. It's the minimal code you need to build a working chatbot on your site. I've also created a JS folder and placed the chatbot.js script inside it. This script uses jQuery to handle the chat input and adds a small block of HTML to the page. This is the chat button that prompts users to enter a message. Additionally, using the jQuery library, the script processes the button click, sends the AJAX request with the message as a post call, and waits for a response and displays it on the page. We've also added a small CSS file to style both the chat button and the chat interface. The next step is to archive this folder. So we'll open it in Finder and compress the OpenAI chat directory. Now let's go to the WordPress admin panel for our site. This is my technical blog, where I post about tools and tech updates. Here we'll go to the plugins section and upload the plugin we just created and compressed. Next, we'll install the plugin, activate it, and now we see it listed among the active plugins in WordPress. The plugin entry also shows its version and the name of the developer. You will also notice a new menu section has appeared in the admin panel. Here we'll paste the API key we got from OpenAI. I mentioned earlier that you should copy it. You can then select between the GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT 4 Turbo models. Both models are compatible with our API, but they have different token pricing. GPT 3.5 Turbo is the more affordable option. Let's save the changes and refresh the website. Once we reload the page, we'll see a small chat icon, a button where users can enter a message. OpenAI will respond with something like, "Hello, how can I assist you today?" To test the model, try asking a simple question. As you'll see, OpenAI replies right inside the chat interface. You can throw in basic tasks, and it will handle them directly on the site. So that's it. A minimal set of features and files for a WordPress plugin for your website. In just a few minutes, we have created an OpenAI chatbot that can assist your site visitors. Final thoughts. Okay, let's bring it all together with a quick recap. The easiest way to add a chatbot to your site is by writing a small piece of code for a WordPress plugin. As you saw, there's nothing extra, just the essential elements. Integrating with OpenAI is also super simple. All you need is your API key. The whole process took less than 10 minutes. Sure, you'll need a bit of time to write the code, but with today's AI tools, that's not a big deal. So folks, what would you add or change in the chatbot we built today? Maybe add some new features or tweak the interface. If you're excited to try it out, or if you have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time!